Hi, I'm Henry St. Pierre, Superintendent of the Fort Zumwalt School District. While I'm taking on a new role this year, I've been a part of the Fort Zumwalt story for a long time. As a teacher and coach, as a building administrator, as an assistant superintendent, and as deputy superintendent. I've watched us grow and I've watched us mature into one of the top districts in the state. It's an honor to help lead this team that I've been part of for so long and to partner with our community that has been so supportive over the years. That partnership between our team of caring adults and our community is the foundation of Fort Zumwalt's tradition of high achievement. Each year, our educators and staff build on that tradition, looking for continuous school improvement, especially when improvement means better serving each student every day. It's our mission, our single most important goal, to educate, empower, and equip students to excel. We are focused on meeting our mission, on that continuous improvement behind the scenes that impacts every classroom. We'll continue to be proactive in assessing the district's needs so we can effectively plan for the future. In each decision we make, we'll continue to prioritize what's best for kids, what provides the best working environment for staff, and strong stewardship of district resources. We'll continue to actively listen as we review our continuous school improvement plan and work together with you to refine our focus and move toward what's next. And the best part of every school year, we'll celebrate the amazing work of our faculty and staff and the accomplishments of our students. I look forward to seeing you around the district this year, listening to your Fort Zumwalt story, sharing our vision, and working together to educate, empower, and equip students to excel.